allow me fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed today, this is the fuel fuel contamination. Petrol was not that good on one of the petrol stations I refilled, and it needs draining and fresh petrol topped up in the fuel tank. Now I'll drain it first, then I'll top up the petrol and we'll see what is going to happen. Let's start with what I'll show you now. This one got the LPG conversion, but the fuel rail for the injectors is actually this one. This is the nut that we need to undo. This is the supply fuel. And this one only cracks while it's cranking, or only turns the fuel pump while it's cranking. And because I don't want to crank it without fuel for long periods of time, I will actually make a short on the fuel pump, and I will supply power to the fuel pump via the fuse. So first thing we're gonna do is crack open that nut right there. Usually when this is a fuel, you can take out a panel or something here to make a little bit more space, but I think through there we can get it, and with a piece of pipe get it to the bottom, and we'll find the fuse. It's a 19mm socket, goes right there. Crack it open, make sure you don't smack the computer. Undo this one. It will leak some petrol, so make sure there is no one smoking around you. Good. And now we can either take it from the bottom, but I think we can take it from the top as well. Here we can go into a small bottle, but I think we got around 10-15 liters inside, so it will be a little bit hard. So we'll see where exactly the fuel will go. Okay, so the relay is actually here, and I cannot get the lid out, so we're just cranking while the fuel pump is running. I remove the wire for the coil, and petrol will be coming right here. Okay, I'll start cranking the car now. Just watch and tell me if the fuel gets to here. Yeah? It was actually a plug that was in here. I don't even know where I left it. It exploded, and everything went in petrol.
Over here.
Except us. No, it disappeared somewhere. It was a piece of, and we actually filled up. You can see the color is there. Oh, it's in the pipe. Can you see? It went in the pipe, so exploded in the pipe. That's good. And now, because it's hot day outside, it's actually pressurizing, and you can see petrol is not usually red, and I had contamination off. Now I'll try to get a funnel here, and I'll put a funnel, otherwise my pipe is way too big. But if I wedge it in, yeah, it will actually explode again. So stop the video and I'll go and take a funnel. Okay, so what I managed to do is take this hose, put it through here, then through this pipe, and it goes inside, and I'll let it drain to here by its own, yeah. And then I'll go, I'll actually go right now into here, and you'll start the car, and this will start draining into the pipe. And sure enough, ignition is on. See, I don't know how much more petrol you got. But there is a little bit coming out. We can see it's still draining. I removed the spark plugs and I sprayed myself with some fluid. So let's see now. If we crank it, should be easier on the battery. Yeah. So you don't burn the starter motor. Yeah. I can't say it flows quicker. Maybe it ran out of petrol, but it's still going, as you can see. So just wait for it to drain up. Okay, we can see the petrol is steady now. Nothing is coming out. I turn the key again. No petrol. Let's go and top up with some clean petrol and see what is going to come up from the pipe. If you hold the bottle like this, air will be coming from the other side and it's not going to be making plop 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 plop. And no leaks on the bottle, which is important. And don't smoke around the car. Even more important. That's serious. I'll see you on to the next one. Don't mix petrol with diesel as well. Very important. Bye bye. Okay, so we topped up the petrol. Good. Don't forget to use the correct type of funnel. I'll copy it now. And we'll check if it's coming on the front. It should be. So still no petrol coming out. Let's crank the car. And it starts to come in. I heard the up.
It's still pink or red.
Is it still pink?
Yes.
Definitely not the best, but let's see. I'll give it a little bit more. I need to see it coming a little bit more. Is it coming like proper one now?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll just flush it a little bit more. Is it coming on? Is it pink?
Pink.
Well, pink is not the correct color, but that's how to drain it. And I'll just assemble everything back together and we'll give it another flush if needed. And we can see the car is running way better now after the drainage of all this gunk from the inside. I hope the video helps you. Bye bye.